Hi there, Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com, where we talk about how to understand the game of money and play it well. So welcome to today's cryptocurrency portfolio update, where I update a cryptocurrency portfolio, something I've been doing now for just over a year. It's part of an investor's journey. So, but before I continue, make sure you stay to the end, because after the update, I always talk about something of interest, mindset, the markets, or something. Also, understand that I'm not a financial planner or an advisor, so I think in this video should be taken as financial advice. And also understand that all investing can be risky, so do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. So what I want to do right now is share my screen and proceed with the update. So today's date is the 3rd of March. Yesterday. Time. And this is the portfolio that I've been updating. So this is this portfolio consists of one whole Bitcoin and a selection of altcoins, and this is the total. Left hand side we've got US dollars, right hand side we've got British pounds with the same portfolio. This is the percentage split. So right now, the figure I want is this big figure here, 121,324.96. 121,324.96. 121,324.96. Yeah. And then the next figure. Once I want the top one, 166,399.75. 166,399.75. 166,399. 166,399. 399.75. Yeah. So let's bring these figures down here. That's a plus 30,000 over the last 2 days. So we can color that green. And let's bring this down here. Plus 20,000. And that's a plus. So Bitcoin is up 6,000 over the last 2 days. The altcoins are up 13,758 over the last few days. Bitcoin is up 6,985 over the last 2 days. That's a total. Portfolio is up 20,744 over the last 2 days. So some upward momentum. Let's take a closer look at the markets. And I want to look at this indicator here. We know that Bitcoin currently is around 44,300. But just talking about how this kind of shows the swings, the ups and downs of there are several moving averages being used here, which I'm not going to go into detail with, but they tend to show how they interact with each other and how, you either get support or resistance, and when they break support, what tends to follow. So this shows, this goes back, I'm just showing this right now, in the December 2017 peak, which was 19,000. Usually the lines are apart during a bull market, a bull run. They're usually wide apart, and everything's going using the red and the yellow, the red and the orange lines as support. That's when you know you're on a real bull market. And then we had that peak, in December 17th, 2017. And then if you follow the lines, rather than the price action, follow what the lines were saying, these red, orange go down and penetrated the yellow. That was the first warning of danger. And once you do that, that's really when you want to get out. But then if you get a double confirmation, it comes up again, if it crosses again, and then the yellow should then hit the green, you need to make sure you're totally adjusted your position or take advantage of change your positions anyway, what's happening. And so that usually happens, and then obviously it signified going down and down. Once the the red and the orange, once they actually reach the purple line, that's kind of like the kind of bottom of the market, so to speak. And it did that. And once it penetrates the red and the orange penetrates the yellow, and the yellow then penetrates the green, you could be coming up, but not always. Okay, so we stayed below the purple line for quite a while. Go sideways, until I would say 2 years almost. Well, 18 months, about 1 year and 3 and 4 months. April 2019. So from December, shall I say, about a year, basically, from, I would say, February, March 2018 to the end of March, before it picked up enough. There was a a change around here, as you can see, and the lines penetrated the purple, the red, the orange, the yellow, and the green. So we know that, okay, we've now started a new uptrend. Temporary uptrend, and those who positioned themselves made money during this time. And then we had the same dip again. Once it dips again underneath the yellow, and then the yellow then touches the green, there's a danger warning, danger signs. And so it followed the same pattern again until we came to that Black Swan event in 2020. Coronavirus panic hit. So, we were due to start going upwards and blocking the trend here in January 2020. And then we saw that, coming down. So this happened, 25th of February 2020, when finally the yellow joined it. And then we had that massive Black Swan down event. And so it wasn't until both the red, orange, yellow, and green broke that purple that we then started to have that uptrend. So that uptrend was very powerful. And the more the lines separate, more there's a separation between these different averages, moving averages, the more powerful the trend. So until you can see how separate things were. That's when you really know you're in a bull market. The price action is also playing on the red and the orange line, occasionally touching the yellow, but red and the orange line, but the red and the orange line isn't touching the yellow. You're really in a bull market, a bull trend. That separation of the lines is very, very indicative of a very powerful bull trend. So that went up and up and up until we had some major peaks in February, March, and then April. So that was when it first passed the 60,000 mark, 64,000, and then we had that. You see, when it peaked here, it went down, but the red and the orange went down through the yellow, but the yellow didn't go to the green in any of these until this part, where the yellow did cross the green. That's the confirmation of the downward trend. So the interesting thing is, even though the red and the orange penetrated the yellow and the green here, the yellow line, the yellow indicator, had not penetrated the green. When it penetrates that green, it's a very strong signal. So it didn't penetrate it until here. That was the real confirmation. This was a warning when the red and the orange penetrated the yellow. That was a warning. But the confirmation was when the yellow penetrated the green. That was a confirmation. So that created a plunge in the price, follow the plunge in the price action. And yes, the red and the orange fell way below the purple, penetrated obviously the green and all the different colors of the rainbow, all the way down to purple, until we got a little bit of recovery here. Again, we're looking for the not only the red and the orange to move to penetrate, but we're looking for the yellow and green to penetrate. That's very important. And so there was an attempt here, once the green penetrated it, it was more like a very strong confirmation that we're now moving upwards again. So we had the second peak in November. Again, you see this line spreading again. Price dancing on top of the red line, price action, and that lots of the spread between the different. The more spread things are, like your finger spreading out, the more of a uptrend you're in, the more of a bull market you're in, bullish trend, shall we say, you're in. But that was short-lived. Again, when we saw the red and the orange line penetrate come down and fall below the yellow, that was a warning. And then when the yellow touched the green, that was a confirmation. So we got what we got here. So what are we doing right now? What we're doing now, we're waiting for the the red and orange. So this is where we are currently. Waiting for the red and the orange and the yellow and the green. Waiting for the yellow to penetrate the red, the orange, the yellow and the green to penetrate the purple, to cross over, shall I say, the purple, let's say penetrate the line, to cross over that purple line, and probably even the blue line, before we can get that confirmation that we've got an uptrend. So yes, we've got an uptrend at the moment. Things have jumped up from 39,000, 38,000 a few days ago to 44,000, even 45,000 today. But that's not really the confirmation of an uptrend yet. So, while it looks kind of optimistic that Bitcoin is up, 8,000, the trends here in this indicator show that we're nowhere near the level of possible recovery until we get this red, orange, yellow, and green crossing that purple and even crossing the blue before we can say we've got a confirmation. So that shows us the strength of the trends in the market. This basically shows us the strength of the trends, and also the strength of the trend. Yeah, we've got an uptrend, but it's weak. It's weak. It's not something I would rely on right now. It's a weak uptrend. It's a temporary fix, and until we get that crossing the green, the yellow, orange, and red, crossing that purple and then the blue line, you can see that we're really going somewhere, on our way somewhere. And that could happen in the next few months, and may not. But that's where we keep seeing the strength, measuring the strength of these trends by using indicators like this. So if you like this kind of information, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, and share, and so on and so forth. Don't forget to, we keep you posted. We keep looking at this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Go to our website, IamWealthyandRich.com, and scroll down and get your millionaire mindset and investment strategy free. Getting that short form and send it to you straight away. Do apply what you see in the videos, and also there's some reports you can download at the bottom of that page. Once you actually get in to the page we send you to, download those reports and start to understand the game of money so that you can learn how to play it well. So with that, I want to thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, like I said, to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification button. And thank you very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.